Hello, today I'm going to show you how to log on to your Canvas account and join your class in Zoom. So the first thing you're going to do is click in your address bar at the top. You're going to type login.chemeketa.edu. Then you're going to type your username and then your password, and remember to always start with a capital letter. If you have something that pops up like this, you can choose to save your password or say no thanks. Okay, so on this page now you have lots of different options, but the one you want to choose is right here. It says eLearn Canvas. And then you need to find your class and just make sure that it's the correct one. You just click on your class. That takes you to the class homepage. Then you're going to scroll down. You can use the scroll bar on the side with your mouse. And then you're going to click on the button that says Zoom Meeting. Okay, and then all you would do is click Join, just like that. And then you are in your class. And you'll know if it's the right class because it will say the date. For example, today at 9 p.m. Hopefully your class doesn't start that late. So you just click Join. And that's it. Thanks for watching.